Start by applying serum all over your face. Then apply moisturizer with a brush. Using a buffing brush, use MAC color corrector to cover your dark circle. Apply liquid illuminizer as a highlight base. On the highest point of your face and the bridge of your nose. Now, using a buffing brush, apply your favorite foundation evenly all over your face. Apply liquid concealer under the eye and even it out with a damp beauty blender. Using the same concealer, apply on your lid and on your chin at the side of your nose. Then buff it all out with a brush. For a more natural blush, use cream blusher on your cheeks. Using a stippling brush will give the most natural effect. Now it's time to lock all the liquid and creams on your face with a good compact powder. Using a powder brush, lightly dab it all over your face. For makeup to last all day, apply loose powder all over your face. Now, apply your favorite powdered blusher on your cheeks. To define your nose, draw two soft lines. For a more adorable effect, connect these two lines to the tip of your nose. Apply powder highlighters like so. Grab a 217 MAC eyeshadow brush. Apply a taupe color all over your lid. Now with MAC 219, apply a darker color like so. Use a champagne shimmer and apply in the middle of your lid. in your waterline, then use a black eyeshadow as your eyeliner. Now it's time to complete the eye look. Apply mascara first, then curl up your lashes. This way, your curls will hold up much longer. Apply eyebrow gel using feather-like strokes. Apply lipstick to complete the look.